Now let's break down our breaking story of the day, and let's discuss everything surrounding this Bitcoin ETF approval. The rumor got shared, and within a few minutes, Bitcoin spiked by over $2,000 just like that. But Cointelegraph apologized and said it was a rumor and only a mistake. So let's break this down, baby. Let's do it. As you can see, here we go. Bitcoin jumps to 30,000, then dumps as false spot ETF approval report circulates. Womp womp, but we're still pumping. Anyways, Bitcoin surged from 27.9 to 30,000 after the false report of a spot Bitcoin ETF approval was posted on social app X, formerly Twitter, leading to nearly 100 million worth of liquidations. Within an hour, the false post was deleted after nearly 30 minutes, but sparked enough interactions to impact the price significantly. Bitcoin has since fallen from 30,000 back above 28,000, following skepticism from analysts as well as the reporters. BlackRock confirmed to CoinDesk that the report is false. Check out this chart. Just based on the false rumor of the ETF approval by one company, Coinbase, making a simple tweet, Bitcoin surges $2,000. It just goes to show you, once we get the real thing, we're going to continue pumping. We are going to get a God candle. We will resurrect Bitcoin back to all-time highs. We will enter price discovery mode. You already know. CoinGlass data shows that 81 million worth of short positions or bets against the higher prices were liquidated on the move to 30 Gs, and 31 million in longs or bets on higher prices were liquidated during the correction. Liquidation refers to when the exchange forcefully closes the trader's leveraged position due to a partial or total loss of the trader's initial margin. It happens when a trader is unable to meet the margin requirements for a leveraged position, failing to have sufficient funds to keep the trade open. Now, the SEC website shows no approvals at this time for the spot Bitcoin ETF. Bloomberg also reported that the BlackRock app is still under review. Here's Cointelegraph apologizing. We apologize for a tweet that led to the dissemination of inaccurate information regarding the BlackRock Bitcoin ETF. Well, thanks for the pump anyways, right? An internal investigation is currently underway. We're committed to transparency and we'll share the findings of the investigation with the public. Okay, we're going to hold them accountable. Now, it was reported last week that the SEC won't appeal the loss to its case against Grayscale, which is thought to boost the chances of GBTC eventually being converted to a spot ETF. Bitcoin rose 4% in Asian morning hours on Monday on a continuation of Friday's reaction to the US SEC decision to not appeal the recent Grayscale ruling. And speaking of Grayscale, more breaking news. The Grayscale GBTC discount falls to 16% as the market's bet on the Bitcoin ETF approval. That's right. Grayscale's Bitcoin investment vehicle, Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, is trading at its lowest discount in nearly 2 years as spot Bitcoin ETFs continue to inch towards potential approval in the United States. The latest data from YChart shows GBTC's discount on Bitcoin's net asset value has narrowed to 15.87% as of October 13th. The discount in this percentage measures the amount that a mutual fund or ETF is trading below its net asset value. This metric is used to track how far a security is trading from the true value. Now check this out, fam. Data shows that GBTC's discount began to narrow when BlackRock and several other financial institutions filed the spot Bitcoin ETF applications back in mid-June, where the discount fell from 44% June 15th to 26.7% by July 5th. And since then, the figure has continued to narrow. Now, the last time GBTC's discount was at a similar level was early December 2021. Yeah, that was like right after the all-time high we hit in November of 2021, right? Now, yeah, we all know we hit 69,000 November 10th. Now, Bitcoin advocate Oliver Velez believes the market is pricing in the spot Bitcoin ETF approval by the year's end. Other analysts, such as Lyle Pratt, believe GBTC's discount will continue to evaporate over the next week or two as the spot Bitcoin ETFs near approval. And quoting Scott Melker, the Wolf of Wall Streets, the GBTC discount has narrowed to 16% as the market bets on a Bitcoin spot ETF approval. Grayscale's Bitcoin Trust, commonly known as GBTC, has experienced notable changes in its market dynamics. At the start of the year, GBTC was trading at a substantial discount of 48.31%, and reports emerged that the US SEC wouldn't appeal the Grayscale decision on October 13th, leading Bloomberg ETF analyst James Seyfarth referring to spot Bitcoin ETF approvals as a done deal in an October 13th post. Now, on October 15th, Grayscale reportedly delivered a statement noting that the SEC's 45-day period to seek a rehearing had passed, meaning that the court would issue its final mandate within 7 calendar days. Quoting them here, the Grayscale team remains operationally ready to convert GBTC to an ETF upon the SEC's approval, and we look forward to sharing more information as soon as practicable. Is that wow? Yeah, practicable. Interesting. The commonly reported company report said. Now, let me know how you feel this is likely to play out. And I'm going to leave you with this. We all know Bitcoin should truly be trading in the hundreds of thousands of dollars right now. As Max points out, with the existing Bitcoin hash rate, Bitcoin should be $340,000 per coin. Let me know if you agree or disagree with the high priest. And who knows how high the Bitcoin price would have climbed in the fourth quarter of 2021 if Scam Bankman-Fried and FTX wasn't offloading all of your precious Bitcoin, dumping it onto the open market to suppress the Bitcoin price at under $20,000. Yeah, I mean, lo and behold, it's the name of the game. So at least these fraudsters are being eliminated one by one.